Commence the 2025-2026 Ghana Premier League tonight at the Accra Sports Stadium, Wednesday. The Division 1 League newly promoted team of Maba into the Premier League. Hoehoe United, formerly of Liberty Professionals. On my first game, on my team from Hoehoe folk for BIA never say die until the bones are rotten. Nyame ya doma 7 p.m. and as I game with Airbaso. Na ne Santino. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on a barber ceremonial kickoff at the Ama Kesiya Airbaso. And this seems to be the first of its kind in the past 2 or 3 decades. Some are paying a ceremonial kickoff. Commence the season. Now, team said this time need the league, you know, a beya kono, a beya fair moon so bad to say milk and honey. Milk and honey. You know, 2025-2026 season, you know, and then Shasia, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency on a quite ceremonial kickoff with the Accra Sports Stadium now. And then, no, and son again by Shasia 7 p.m. No, there'll be a curtain raiser. Black Starlet, Ebebo Aroras FC, 4 p.m. and son again Kesena Abaso. Now, Tunikesia Pa, dance hall artists. Stoneboy, the Beam Nation president, and also a better for more Jumadi and Nase, international so corner, and Nigerian Pro Max, be able to come pa, or some match. Ahead of the game, Hoehoe United coach Abdul Rahim Bashiru will declare his team fully prepared for the Ghana Premier League. Now, first game, no so dear, Omafane say World Cup umpire Ebidra. In Hoehoe United, Omed coach Abdul Rahim Bashiru.
The preparation, we started here. And later we left to Aflao, and from there we entered Togo to play some high-profile match. And later we went back to Aflao, and go to Accra to continue our preparation. I think so far so good. No, I think not at all. I think this feature is going to give us a lot of opportunity because it's a first game. You know, during the start of the league, first game, anything can happen. So even when you look at Hoehoe folk, anytime they play their first game against a debutant, they always lost. So hopefully, I think it's going to happen this time around. Yeah, well, you can see we are very prepared. When you talk about motivation, you see, when you are playing a team like Hoehoe folk, as a young team as Hoehoe United, you know, what the boys have to motivate themselves. You know, in this kind of fight, you don't need a coach to motivate you or anybody. You know, this is the game that you need a self-confidence and self-motivation to go into the game. So I think the boys are ready, and I think they will go all out.
Now, many Hoehoe folk and Airbo, Hoehoe folk and Ra and Omonveli Omujesis, Hoehoe folk Nkwana, on a special club. I did become one of my first game and Omonveli Omujesis. And yes, I'm getting intense. Continental Club Masters. For BIA, Allah, mono, the whole world. A day to their first game in the league and Omonveli Omujesi. Pressure on my command, son, I just give bano. I mean, funny. Internal screen, no, FA, papa. And see, where you're home, dear, no one. I'm even Mohammed. But so dear. Okay, nti home there in the blue mu yellow mu red nsuo mu na minim adena a sign hono meze a sign yellow nani mu ho minim adekode but omo chere say traditional represent omo tradition no and so omo da man kama pa mom ya we nsu there na me hwa de yes awe die ni awe die na kama pa na o say mamefua reserve ba ko to mame na memra meje na me ntumi nsume donne farmer stadium anyumre enti no team mamefu a operations e de ma Hoehoe folk e ba officer baba abegim jesi no kama pa enti we e ye Hoehoe folk jesi omonvele ye no e fe ye pa e fe sanso ye quality ti ko pebito omse ne bo onye den 250 de ne bo onye den umye we ne betima to 10 kra chama obusuanfo nyina enti kono ko pebito na enra omo defender Ali Mohammed o say Hoehoe Monto to chalk. Division 1 na mo conquer zone 3 no. Omo nyama dwen say league no. Emu officer Ali Mohammed watubi e de amanoms. Omo nkate brag no short. So omo kasa too much. And ye ban crying a ye no je say vote nyi no bia ntumi ye. Akran so ye dia ye ba be konka mo. Ali Mohammed say we ba be to mo enti.
I just say so what for no mo we abo oil. Yeah, say carry a to say mo kwan no wa so kasa mo kasa from ike what I say Kwan sa be extend am mo. As we extend contract am obi no. Be ten. Come Friday na dey omo angasa no. Omo bibia yen kasa bebre. Omo kan na ya to media no so. Tie dey am bo Friday. Ye twen omo. E agro no form nya kasa kra. Kasa yen frama. What you say? Phobia Masters.
Ne fans ni bi nyan kitan de kakrai. Has fans on beji league. Kotoko fans on beji league. Why na beje? Is no be aji this okay? Karim Zito ye juma papa. The Porcupine Warriors supporters say hey, obi anka na come Antonio yam. Obo je cap no. Maso didi drama news we for Has team no. Wasisa niema. Is a boy amrante na ebo no. Enye watara ball bia asem. We ye didi tactics of pa na edanet pa na edanet. Has fun say hey, I feel so league no. Omoje intin sama. This supporters said they are to ahead of the season.
Also has the money that said ya can see no etie Phobia Masters Charlie season USA e be surprise you bia someone among president cap ne top 4 na boy no obi eni ache was a house so Ghana o Ghana ni house enti no enye de ana season we munya hona monche and I can say that befe ana leg no e be ya fa house de ya sana manfo ataka efa house ho enso so we check record score na house ye players ye team dia Ghana nem dia bo match ama blasters o sha enti no we de munya no nkasa ye do go prama no so and ye be hu ye best
league be starting me say I ready or share preparation I from top 4 we see a ball channel champion we see a ball final match against Asgoda and I won't say if two na am mistakes no coach na according to coach na so I start a correct mistakes no or enti we say e be agusu correct mistake no say be abetimi resolve team na my team no team apega I can return e si hu no oh previous league boy asan ebeje FA Cup he say inshallah e dey nkumudi be free chase waba abedu kumasi amekoto aso Africa na mkubiyo nso ayade ya
for ya me 2 hours you well on down too much ye champion continental cup masters ye po nkasa say ye bejili ye start here asa na wo because we are chere say wo betumi agili afro house league we die ye no wo ntem na this year there has
owo Elvis number has NCC chairman
yeah
Pacho Famano na ye say the next will beat me am 1 minute na mabisa no question back.
Okay, what question?
Me concern is say abu fama we no fan to so. Me Pacho fan to so mami. Omo pe NCC. Has NCC no. Omo pre ni nyina o kan omo a. Omo ye 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 people. The upper secretary no ono ne ye incumbent dada. Okay. Osman Kasim minimum no. Osman Kasim ye incumbent. Chapter O. Okay. Eye has akoma pa. Yen nyina de yenim aye chapter O. Chapter O. Back the ono de ba and this is where politics no. Why
Aziz, right?
Aziz, yes. Na omo pe position ni nyina. Enne na ye bie eye league nano and finish mu no oma aye fixtures no oma aye schedule and such that has na bebo first
yeah
e wa Accra Sports Stadium no oni Hoehoe United e dey den e abo na omubo a okay president be den e be ba be grace occasion no correct o che omo purpose ya Elvis Ankobi to the Elvis kraka ho a numbers ne den e doso Abbas Sule Epe first deputy organizer. Ena Adomako Befi Philip second deputy organizer. Organizers no omo ha. Imoru Amin Osman. Okay. Ena Boahene Eric Nanaminta. Omo pe eye organizer adwuma no. Ena omo pe public relation ne ade. Can you imagine said the omunyina ye quiet?
Quiet as in say they are not promoting the game.
Promotion the omo de they need to let omo akabana o so mo send no fly kire o say omo the bus besia e the supporters ba NCC e wo ebi bono afo no be ba join ni Kumase no
okay
eyi your friend say Abbas omo ba join ni Abbas mo Abbas mobilize yi Hasmi emu no be mobilize Kumase no mo de omo ba na eyi the oye police ni say lawyer yi oh no madam for pa for bibi oye police ni say lawyer has need support am ono no was Eastern region
I see no so the
no so the ba na stadium na abo na mo ma yeden mo send signal say this season no mo the supporters baba be league no
okay
eti no say na be ma kotoko supporters automatically ebe ki come ebe ma say nim say small venues ni de be hoyema
yes
ebe ma various stadium games ni be den ebe yo dem can what you say the people are quiet eti na pesa ka offer Elvis
okay
na ke bi say Elvis say what are they doing to ensure say stadium be ma enanwumre because stadium anya man na pa
was first game
yani has for e will be ka
we don't know be upon
adwuma eti e was say by now mo dey fly ababon tin say mo high buses and mo be share and you see we mu no mo propose omo pese nkofo be to abamo eti automatically me kai say kotoko San Pedro that time not damanya epewe on high bus be 10 say amafo metremu nkoko support kotoko San Pedro eti we no mu nyame adaroma obi mu de court we aba be disturb mo eti e wo say eye hye edema omo pe post ni say
okay
people no mo person mo to abama omo no they should ensure say on be baso and people are ready sometimes laziness what you say ebia wo no organizer no ebia obekọ o chapter what you say now ni o ma ye we say chale ye ko ya han basa ye ni ko mo se bedo obi kon
the crepa
bedo obi kon mo join so me kra mitifie me ye de ma me join you ba se e ka no nko a obeye o e kon bi e de me anase me yiri bi ana we but the moment obenwu say there is a bit of mobilization no you will see say the stadium will be full
of course
still they still have time
from this time I could see 5 days
I was say mitumi ye den ehu bibi I was say mitumi ye den ehu bibi Ghana for nyina ehu bibi say has for lead by example because ye nyina ya sesa new league last we league no say na tiny to make us say me discussion me one me be ko ashawo joint dan say me be ko Ghana Premier League
at this time
but say now yesu say o man pani make sure so this ka be shem ni ade ene omo nyina this ka ye the shem say e be that TV3 so say me fan say start times ni paid we ni na problem say TV3 so e ko ba bia
obi abenya bia he
e ko ba bia say GTV the TV3 obi ko ba bia but men trafia nya the enhwe leave that for a year omo ye me fan say omo against no
okay
omo against your team no leave the TV for them
okay
now we has supporter na they can answer someone who dwana wudi atam who ko stadium na ko support no mu yini because say one ko support na ho sha listo make two pound the gumi ho inti me ko support me say na be ya listo wani be den e be guase that is how we support football a club
enye
audio support iti omo pe post no this is a tax for them
okay
say omo ansha stadium na yema no mo president Mahama betra empty stadium pa juma bi di omo no because o kwa kwaji post ne say NCC o kwa kwaji na wo de ade adwuma ne say supporters mo adwuma ne say mo adwuma say mo kwa support ade na mo do no Kasim ono na ka be solo won so kese pa unim de ntia supporters omo ko Blasters
number 1
omo mobilize ma Blasters nya supporters kese pa oka ho bi
and even weekdays come ye event do efe wa
omo ko mobilize the same supporters na omo ko support footballers in safe hands journalists for coachfo na omo yes the same mobilization na mo ye the supporters adi sana anima manyama animguase ka mo no
mo fanye team
and mo fanye the same thing na mo fanye den immobilize aye supporters and family because see that supporters union here enei blasters no omo kwando na omo di akire no right omo nyina aye has true has o madam Vicentia Doku me ba benim ni nyina aye has ladies
yes mama Vicentia
aye has ene ma mo ye adu ba bi amadui ase ene Aziz Futa nyame aye na dum no owa ban mu a na aban na anu ya no mu ye de omu twam a aye has
yes
chapter O has na ye de am na do every be about the life be the same as Kasim eti be bia aboa wa mo wadu ba bi no saa de ni ye nya den ye nse no
e wo so ye ni
e wo se wo ye ni eti has na ma kire de ye sre mo se mo make sure se mo be den mo be ebe mobilize the supporters akọ stadium because you blasters mobilization mo ye dem ye mutu ni nyina either has or Kotoko supporters hwe ayi Apirugu Chakapama Apirugu has ni
yeah I know
Apirugu Chakapama or has ni Apirugu or that has supporters are almost supporters we know so mo ka say no omo ba
even session
bema eti Apirugu enye blasters nkwa na osemu di eche has supporting na mo support has no ena mo ede mo epeja mu ede ba eye Ghana eti Ghana de no mo support ewe yedamase yedamase ensada sei mo adwuma kese na aba
no kre
eno no ye se ene president ba yeden ebeba ti mo make sure say mo be kwa support na president ba won say baby a discuss yi ye de hyese na ba ya Ghana for be den e wo beto because oba no be hu say e players pa na eba no mo ka na say na Ghana for ekura mo ball no omo hye da empe it is Ghana ye hwe ni mu say bebre be ba no emma biem
right. Hi Darius, this is Michael from Accra. Aside all the transformation plans from the GFA, the GPL coverage should be improved so those of us watching on TV can have a good experience, just like watching the European leagues. Previously, we could see that the ball will just vanish on our screens and they will have to pan very quick. It's so bad. And also the other buyer, no. Good morning, Darius. Tell his steward not to be deceiving himself because Kotoko won't even make top 4. And my reason is because they can't compete in the CAF Confederation Cup and the league with these players and staff. Okay, it's no the buyer. Yeah, we had that top 4, no. Yeah, check if you also Jerry there. JJ, yeah, no top 4, or no so the buyer. I ready and woman no quick. Go for Jerry any as usual. House of Folk first, Kotoko second, Nation third, Mediama fourth. Okay, yeah, here Esther Abankwa so there ready. Yenyi no sunfio no mutaw. Yeah, okay. So Charles den so ba. Charles Taylor, hey. Charles has for never league no. Wow. Kotoko be second. Go Stars third. Nations fourth. Well, Benji dey o mommy Benji dey na me hwa dey. Benji the Flowman. Benji the Flowman dey be ba sisi a yen hwe no so. Okay, ntino. Okay, next one ehwana yen hwa dey. Okay, first Hoehoe United. Second House of Folk. Third Asante Kotoko. Fourth Mediama. Amanfo ntiase. But send Leicester City ebe ye o Premier League ni mu no. Hoehoe for no energy bi o mo de ba league ni mu no. O ye mbese Hoehoe number 1. Who next? Sports Doctor, House of Folk first, second Gold Stars, third Kotoko, fourth Nations. Nto no so de no. Ye hwe no di ho no me. Ya wadonko ose Kotoko befa eno de e obvious. House of Folk second, Gold Stars third and Samatex so fourth. Efia Press, Asante Kotoko first, Gold Stars second, House of Folk House of Folk so be the third, that's Samatex and so at the fourth. Mustafa Jidin has ebe winning Nation second, Kotoko third, and I be any Gold Stars fourth. Into no to me say Dean say has be winning listen to Kotoko befa and now have you na okay. To list what Daniel Mensa or say Krobia ne befa cap no. Has ebe second, Mediama be the third, na Diana Stars about fourth. Listo.
Yeah.
And then
well, that is how I feel. I think that Kotoko experience. The mame anyway. Kotoko our experienced players in their side.
Okay.
basically the back four no. All of them are there.
Okay.
Kotoko back four no biao plus the goalkeeper.
Okay.
Kamara. Aside the mistakes no here na me dwana line no. I the oye flyer no. On correct list one. Me list one 1L. Want me sre now yeah so is any one on the summer. Aha, o hwe right back now. So
new one about
Shaibu and onukra no even the you know harder than onukra no amwa enye easy what I say so there is a competition the end there is court so
okay
no in the course of the season hopefully or be returning from any injury so three back right back one so the experience I had amwa the first season he wasn't bad what I we expecting say obe improve and was a competition like Shaibu no bema hono aye then look at the center backs ablo hono
okay
what I say ayi Samba Onel the greatest Bob Brutal oh yes ono obetima boama Ali Nizamalek ni oh yes enye too early no bia there be quality ni wo ho what I say Samba Onel ho no ablo ho eno mo sade Zakaria Fuseni ono no nim league ni dada
okay
abeden ababe kan anso de wasantimi mondi
dabi men kasa ibia
oh anya de
uniform abafo
dabi omo ya de na me bom di na ye besiden ne ye de na league office oba ball papa ben na wabo waba be 3 seasons ni or even captains ne ko kan ho na wo bo tatantan sai gazen enti ono me fa ne kan ho left back no so no ayi wo ho no mo de akwa me hyeda hu ni akwa pagya wo mu na me de me hu na wo nya de a me mu zo nya de wo ball me hyeda hu ni preseason no man hyeda anye hu ye so you have opportunity to convince me
okay.
Aside that the the bia me boni dia na me refi left kotoko left back no. Yes Patrick Asiedu na de enka me trim Patrick Asiedu on the ball pa
very good
very good left back but up TikTok it onjai yes dan me call no baby girl be comment section say chocho it onye careful no on concentrate on ball me penasem pa Gideon Mensah ma de omuye they should be eyeing the World Cup
okay
and he eye World Cup now o money mo be o be pejam
of course
then o ba fifi won ma yakwa akofa yaba enti manu media me no me on shada nya yi bia sa yes but it was okay it was okay o hwe bebe na e free bana Agadas Mudasiru Sheriff Mana we are enti manu what I said that's the level na e made and no mo de Adabo Hilary Adabo what I say ababeka mfifi for no
okay
what I say and ye wo entry Emmanuel entry maka che Emmanuel entry say
number 10
yeah we boy omodin this season ejina ono no so
yeah okay
and as say o makofa Walid Neymar
okay Walid in Swaba
onimbo Brutal me hu bi da
how many games na wa share
control ba ko pe me ball na nya obebo bebre o eye control ba ko pe na me hu se onimbo onimbo ball eti then animu ho no de me nka donzo morefin ho e na kwampoku eso ye den e ho no dan me tu ne fo no wati ze me hu kwampoku a ase oneso te wama momi aye den e tete aduane ne so
okay
what I say then wingers ne so ye den e eti me hwe kotoko team na compared to other other teams no me hu se kotoko experience no e no mo sa so eye kabute
okay
coach kabute
experience coach
what I say amde Hamza so abeden abeka ho enti no the year hwe ne se or bring or hini bring nyamo no making sure say experience and how we balance am players no or yen gas am yen military camp
okay
I was say flexible but I was any can say omo ya dey be the problems where the back team no
okay
aside that I think that there is experience no that's why I selected them
okay
the reason why I believe say has be the second it will do well than last season and then they say has exciting young players. Then a coach on also experience. Waje league twice.
Okay.
You know, that is the reason why I believe say they will do well this season. Better last season performance. No.
Okay.
Omo integrate amankwa bafi. On say me be ka amankwa bafi asem wo ha da. Say boy no ni bobo. Me ka say player bi ni bobo ni bobo. E na me ka say player bi asa wasan. Opa obedi achinya but it will come to pass. Na me ga what you say. Amankwa bafi me ka say boy ni bobo. E na me am client. Eye house coach no. Watara. Ebe yi ni free team ni mu. Eno okolo no we ena waba no didi aba o man opportunity obetima bo position bia o park ne so.
Okay.
Me ka che hu say no o talent sin eye free ba ne because omunya no mo team na me coach no.
Okay.
Republicans minimum me be kan
yeah
wansem ana komo ya ma coach bia heden asebo any career asidan kan ya me say he's back nti one young guys ni mo fra bibi paku se paku when you good striker.
Okay.
What you say? You know, has there a lot of players and no more try say or more find a bonding. And with that, and I don't think say it will be bet me gelling them throughout the season to give that consistent performance. Until me the has 2 Medium so obviously. Yeah. The first omuni any continental we be
focus on
they will be dangerous and the Diana stars papa poku hontino onim say wa money homoden a yen betra kan asem say papa poku akofa Diana stars na wa nya Diana yi aha ntino me de omo beto for